Today I am reviewing the Nintendo Switch with neon blue and neon red Joy-Con. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Nintendo Switch with neon blue and neon red Joy-Con is one of the most versatile gaming consoles ever created. Unlike traditional home consoles or handheld devices, the Switch gives you the freedom to play wherever and however you want. Whether you're sitting at home on your TV, playing on a tabletop with friends, or enjoying a handheld experience on the go, the Switch adapts to your lifestyle seamlessly. Starting with the design, the console itself is sleek and portable, with a vibrant 6.2-inch LCD screen that displays crisp, colorful graphics. While it's not a 4K screen like some modern home consoles, the display is perfectly optimized for Nintendo games, providing sharp visuals and vivid colors that make characters, environments, and animations pop. The screen size is just right for handheld gameplay, large enough to immerse yourself, yet compact enough to carry comfortably in a backpack or purse. One of the standout features of the Switch is its three play modes: TV mode, tabletop mode, and handheld mode. In TV mode, you can dock the console and play on a big screen with friends or family. Tabletop mode allows you to prop the console up on any flat surface and use the detachable Joy-Con controllers for multiplayer gaming without needing extra equipment. And of course, handheld mode lets you take the console anywhere, giving you true on-the-go gaming freedom. This versatility makes the Switch a perfect device for all types of players, whether you're commuting, traveling, or just relaxing at home. The detachable Joy-Con controllers are another hallmark of a Nintendo Switch experience. Each controller is full-featured, with motion sensing, HD rumble, and precise buttons, so you get an engaging and responsive gaming experience in all modes. You can use a single Joy-Con for multiplayer games, or combine them into one controller for solo play. Their neon blue and neon red colors aren't just fun. They make it easy to distinguish which controller belongs to which player during multiplayer sessions. Multiplayer gaming on the Switch is also a highlight. You can play local co-op, online multiplayer, or local wireless multiplayer, which means you're never limited to solo experiences. Whether you're teaming up with friends in Mario Kart, Smash Brothers, or other party games, the Switch makes social gaming seamless and fun. Nintendo's focus on family-friendly games and cooperative experiences has always been a major selling point, and the Switch continues that tradition beautifully. Speaking of games, the Nintendo Switch is home to some of the most beloved gaming franchises in history. From Mario, Zelda, and Pokémon to more casual titles like Animal Crossing and Splatoon, the Switch library has something for everyone. Its exclusive titles are a major reason why Nintendo consoles remain so popular, and the Switch's portability means you can enjoy these games wherever you are. Battery life is solid for a handheld console, lasting anywhere from 4.5 to 9 hours depending on the game and usage. While it's not quite as long as some mobile devices, it's enough for a few long commutes, a travel day, or an extended gaming session at home without needing a charge. In terms of build quality, the console feels sturdy and well-made. The Joy-Con snap onto the console securely, and the dock is stable when connected to your TV. Accessories like the Pro Controller are optional, but can enhance gameplay for those who want a more traditional controller feel, especially for longer gaming sessions. Of course, there are a few limitations. The Switch's graphics are not as powerful as the latest home consoles like the PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X, and storage can fill up quickly without a microSD card. However, Nintendo's focus is more on gameplay experience, creativity, and portability rather than raw graphical power, and in that respect, the Switch excels. In conclusion, the Nintendo Switch with neon blue and neon red Joy-Con is an incredibly versatile, fun, and accessible gaming console. Its ability to switch seamlessly between TV, tabletop, and handheld modes, combined with an excellent library of exclusive games, makes it perfect for gamers of all ages. Whether you're a competitive player, a casual gamer, or someone looking for a portable entertainment system, the Nintendo Switch delivers an experience that's hard to beat. If you're looking for a gaming console that can go wherever life takes you while still delivering classic Nintendo fun, this is absolutely one of the best options available.